And Mark's really kind of hitting on uninsured motorist coverage in Mississippi because, unfortunately, depending on which study you look at, Mississippi is usually number 1 or number 2 in the number of uninsured motorists in the state.
Right.
And so, we get people all the time that hire us that they're not at fault. Clearly, they're not at fault. But the other person who hits them ends up having no insurance, and unfortunately, our client has not purchased coverage. And then therefore, there's not a pot of money for them to be able to collect from. So it's so important to look at your policy, not just go, I had my agent do it, and then kind of, chunk it in the drawer or just make sure you keep your insurance card. So, because uninsured motorist is also the same as underinsured motorist coverage. So it really gives you another bite of the apple potentially.
Right. It's disheartening when I hear clients say, well, he told me, the question he asked me was, do I want to insure an uninsured vehicle? Well, that sounds so negative that you would say, well, no, I don't want to do that. But the actual question is, do you want to have insurance if the other guy doesn't have insurance?
That's right.
And that's what the will cover you. It's not covering the other guy, it's covering you. So uninsured motorist is the most important thing.
Hey, we got a great question online that relates to, says, if you have uninsured motorist coverage and you have an accident, is it worth your while to hire an attorney, to pursue that claim? You're hit by an uninsured motorist, you have coverage. Do you need to hire Schwartz and Associates to represent you?
You definitely do, because we know how to. It's not that here's the thing. We know how to put that claim together.
Yeah. I mean, I use the example that, you're in a wreck, and we'll use the question. Thank you for that question. You're injured because you said you have injury, so we hope y'all are on the road to recovery, but you're going to a medical doctor to get you treatment for your injuries. The car is going to go to the body shop because they're the expert on how to fix it. Well, hiring Schwartz and Associates, we have the knowledge, and power to be able to handle the legal aspect. So that's why I think it's important for you to hire a law firm, especially Schwartz and Associates, because that's what we do.